This video is to walk you through the dependency determination section of the WASFA. So for dependency details here, they're going to be asking you questions to determine whether or not you're going to be considered a dependent or an independent student, meaning whether or not you are dependent or independent financially from your parents. And so for most students, you'd be answering no to all these questions. I'm not going to be going through each of them in detail because, again, for most students, it would be no. If it doesn't sound familiar to you at all, it's probably a no. If you think that may apply to you, then I would recommend that you talk to an educator at your school who is answering financial aid questions, because it's going to affect what kind of financial aid you receive. When you answer yes, it's going to categorize you as an independent student, and so it will stop at that question. So I answered no to all these questions, and then I'm going to hit save and continue. And then this next section is special circumstances. And there are some students who are in situations in which they can't provide information from their parents. If your parents are incarcerated, or you had to leave your home, or if you cannot contact your parents, then you can select I will be unable to provide parent information. And what's going to happen is that you should reach out to each of the colleges that you're applying to and explaining why you're unable to provide parent information on this application. I have some students who say that their parents don't want to provide financial information. They don't trust this application. They don't trust where this information is going to, or they aren't going to be helping you out with paying for college, things like that. Unfortunately, for those situations, you are not considered a special circumstance, meaning you have to be able to provide information from your parents. If they really don't want to provide you financial information, then I would talk to the educator at your school who's answering financial aid questions. They might be able to call your parents and explain. And then once you select your option, then hit save and continue. Be sure to watch our video for the next section of the WASFA, student income and tax data.